Here we are again. I mean, this is the first time we're doing the finale. It's not really hard, and it's not that we were trying to figure out what to do right. It's totally our first time doing it. We're hopefully gonna get it in our first try with strategies that we're gonna come up with on the spot. All right, let's go. Oh, pills. That's weird. I didn't know there would be any spawning there. Let's get it. Alright, so first slay out all the zombies.
How would you know that, Brandon?
I mean, that's just common sense. We just common sense, slay out all the zombies.
Yeah, we roped Jordan here. Yeah, there's way more gas tanks spawned already.
What do you mean? How many were there supposed to be?
I don't know.
Alright, let's take these. Yo, Zoe, you in rough shape. Yeah, you look.
Man, I feel like crap.
You look like crap. Gotta clear all the zombies out of our favorite house.
You mean that building that looks really nice?
It looks like it'd be a good place to evade tanks. I gotta play the portal music. I mean, oh wow, look, a jukebox.
Wow, what did you do?
Alright, let's clear out these areas. Oh wow, this place is already clear. Somebody come through here. Oh, there's 2 gas tanks in this building too. I'm gonna throw them out. Ow. Here, take that. There's another one up here I'm gonna grab too.
Assembly line.
What's
you
gonna
ready?
work? Teamwork.
I'm gonna start the first one.
Alright, we got.
Wait, you wanna move on the gas?
Yeah, let's move them. And move some of them over here. Alright, nobody shoot those. Everybody get in the house. Boomer. Oh, tank's in here.
Oh, hello. Run.
Oh, frick!
Dude, that was a nice volley.
Don't miss.
I took the
Nice. See, dude, we all focus fire on that dude's head. We kill him so fast.
Alright, get the horde.
I gotta heal, dude. There's no way.
Good use, Jordan. Good use. Boomer spit on me. Yeah, he didn't swallow.
I hear a smoker or something. Shotgun
Boomer's
OP.
still in this house.
Oh, you can't grab.
I'm gonna go start this fire generator.
Sounds good. I'll take one more fire and throw it over here for the horde.
There's a smoker somewhere.
Yeah, he's up on the
On top of
house.
this roof. He's on top of this roof. Oh. It's a hunter.
Quit smoking me.
Smoker over there by Zoe on the far end.
Alright, back to the house, brothers. Where's he coming from? Oh, he's inside that. How the heck did he spawn there? In the house upstairs. Let's go. Everybody upstairs. Smoker. Nice.
Oh, not Zoe!
Dude, shotguns for the win, man. These things kill them so fast. Alright, everybody back out to the hiding spot. Look at that fire, though. Oh, beautiful. Forgot about pipe bombs, honestly. I haven't even used mine. No! 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 I literally jumped away and he still grabbed me.
Alright, last one.
Way to go. Or should I wait after this?
Well, Zoe just took the last health pack, so.
Did she? Wow. She might heal us, though, if we keep her alive.
Do we know where any more nades are?
Right here, right here. Molotov.
That's what you get, slut! Oops, slut shaming.
On top of the stairs right there.
There's always two in here, and this back.
There's two more up here, just so we know there's.
Let's grab bombs from far away, I guess. Save the ones up
Yeah, I
close.
see a propane tank over here.
I have...
There's still 4 bombs in here.
You try and grab me, bitch.
Oh, there's a propane tank over here and gas.
I'm gonna take a fire and I'm gonna throw it by this thing over here so I can keep them off whenever we have to restart the thing. Smoker. Please, please, Zoe, please. Please, Zoe, please. Oh my god, no. See, that thing hurts me so bad. It's annoying because you can shoot him like 6 times in the face and it won't die.
Here, Brandon, take these pills. Here. Be over to the left.
Hey, bunch of pros today.
Alright, get to the house. Get to the house so we don't blow these.
There's a hunter up there.
Front door.
He's going after Zoe.
Yeah, we should probably.
Look at this zombie. He's running in circles. Wait, come here. I'll get on the bridge. I'll get on the bridge.
What do we do with all these?
Just leave him there. No. Oh, everyone has to get up here.
Yeah,
I spread the fire to hold them off for now.
Alright, I'll get on the turret. Someone jump off.
I guess I'll go down. Jordan, let's go.
Someone's gotta restart that generator. I gotta pay mom. Let's go.
The tank.
I got it, boys.
Jordan, did you die?
Oh, you have to Oh, that's why it's called the sacrifice.
We did it!
I died too because I went down.
I lived! And
Wow.
there you have it, people. That's the end of Left 4 Dead 1. We brought Mystic Luck on here just for you guys. He lost his virginity.
we didn't even have to do it. That was so easy. Why? We were like, we could have kept them alive, honestly, though.
If you guys want to know what we're talking about, we died 15 times trying to, and it was that easy.
Because we kept
I'll
sitting
see
up
the
top.
answer in the chat.
We killed like 12 of the tanks.
As long as you guys are subscribed, you can call us whatever you...
Ouch.
Thank you for watching Left 4 Dead 1. We'll be back with Left 4 Dead 2 shortly. Me, Brandon. Hopefully Matt and Jordan both can get on and we can all win it together. But until then, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Thank you for watching, and I'm the MVP no matter what, so just keep that in mind. 2,600. Wow. Awesome.